Okay.
मणिपुर से लिया है।
मैं मणिपुर से है भाई।
हाँ। The thing that specific plant, no, it's known as Ayampana, which we collected from Meitei tribe.
Meitei tribe.
Yeah.
Which one? This one.
Yes, exactly. Which is used for the entire gut cleansing. Problems like constipation, piles, fissures, and fistula.
I will ask my mom. What is this?
We can.
Hello, Cheta. Sokomano. Sokomano. You are so beautiful in morning.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Just kidding.
This is the pushpa.
Yeah, this is the Pushpa wala.
Pushpa wala.
Yeah.
कैसे
This is just like a 7-year-old tree. Inside it will be red in color.
Inside.
They grows 2 centimeter every single day.
2 centimeters.
This is the fastest growing plant in the entire world.
Oh, eta no pai le. Oh. Hello guys, good morning. Yo, फिर ठेंग दो फिर तू निपान में खाए बता रहे भाई क्या कर रहे हो भाई कॉफी हेलो व्हाट्स अप गुड मॉर्निंग
Good morning.
यू आर सो ब्यूटीफुल इन मॉर्निंग
Thank you so much.
जस्ट किडिंग
आज ये जाएंगे हम बानासुरा डैम जाएंगे,
बनासुरा डैम
आयुर्वेदिक गार्डन जाएंगे
ठीक है
और ऑन द वे मैसूर पैलेस जाएंगे।
मैसूर पैलेस तो कितना टाइम लगेगा इधर से वो डैम
आधा घंटा से।
आधा घंटा ठीक है ओके विल सी Hello guys, ako yung Ayurvedic garden yore second day. Ano आप आएगा? हाँ सेटा आप आएगा? नहीं है
मैं देखिए
ठीक है कोई ड्राइवर ला रहा है Banasura spices and Ayurvedic garden spices and honey light chocolate.
This is basically a garden. We have spices plants, medicinal plants, and oil plants.
भाई कैमरा सकता है
I'll be explaining everything. Thing that specific plant, no, it's known as Ayampana, which we collected from Meitei tribe.
Meitei tribe.
Yeah.
Which one? This one.
Yes, exactly. Which is used for the entire gut cleansing. Problems like constipation, piles, fissures, and fistula.
I will ask my mom. What is this?
We can make paste out of it, then we can have it. It's for the complete gut cleansing.
Okay.
मणिपुर से लिया है।
मैं मणिपुर से है भाई
हाँ।
but मुझे पता नहीं
From Manipur.
so I will ask my mom for this one
You can ask her.
yeah what is the name for this
This we call this Ayampana.
Ayampana
Now it's a famous part of Ayurveda now.
okay
Ayampana.
Ayampana
This is the stevia, which is the substitute for sugar. We can take out these leaves and dry it out and make powder out of it, so it will be sweet in taste.
Oh,
It won't be increasing our blood sugar levels.
oh nice. Can you try?
Yeah, you can try one.
try it
I'm trying the stevia plant, which is.
yes Saska try and tell me what is the taste
So let's see if it's
What's it
sweet or not.
It is sweet man.
sweet man yeah, let me try it then
That's what. Sweet in taste.
ठीक है तुम बनेगा
This one here, this is the creeper for the pepper.
yeah it's really sweet
Pepper comes from these creepers. Black pepper comes from these specific creepers.
okay black peppers lagi siya mo ko
From
let's
these
come
creepers.
sige mga lagi siya na black peppers
And this is the variety of bamboo which produces edible bamboo rice.
okay
The edible rice comes from only this variety of bamboo, which is known as Buddha belly bamboo. The blooming will be happening like 60 years only once. The rice will be like brown in color and very thin. It's highly nutritious. And here also we have the red sandalwood, which is for the cosmetics and exotic furnitures.
Oh yeah, this is the pushpa.
Yeah, this is the Pushpa wala.
Pushpa wala
Yeah.
कैसे
This is just like a 7-year-old tree. Inside it will be red in color.
inside.
7
This is 7 years old.
It's a 7-year-old one. It may take 40 years to get into the actual size.
Okay, okay. 저희 구석이라고 했어요.
It's a monkey. What is it? This is a rubber tree. It's a monkey.
집에 잔뜩 पुष्पा기도 निको. Where is monkey?
Monkey ऊपर है.
Monkey. Monkey. yung kung udi.
I'm sure this is rubber.
This one is
Rubber.
Yeah, rubber.
Yeah, it's rubber making. Ini rubber chamber. Vanilla.
Nice. We extract vanilla from this one
This is
only.
actually the raw plant, and you can see the beans in there. This is how the beans look like.
These.
Yeah, those are the vanilla beans. Let me
Vanilla
see if I
beans.
can find you some vanilla beans from there.
Yeah.
Just give me that.
Vanilla.
It's brown in color.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Smell करके देखिए.
The moment you open it, it came clear.
That's what. This is like very costly for a kg. This beans will
Vanilla
be
cake
costing you
बनाते
around 60,000 Indian rupees.
Oh, bhai sahab.
Yeah, vanilla.
60,000 Indian rupees. The first quality of vanilla beans goes to companies like Gucci and Chanel for their exotic perfumes.
Oh.
Okay.
And we have the specific variety of enquiries from New Zealand and all for their chocolates. We won't find the real qualities in the market.
So all
Yeah,
these
if it-
vanilla ice cream all will have.
They'll be having the synthetic one, which is.
मार बहुत कर
This is a very young bamboo. This is less than 3 weeks old.
Only 3
They
weeks
grow
old.
2 centimeter every single day.
2 centimeters.
This is the fastest growing plant in the entire world.
Oh.
He's just unpacking. You can see it.
Only 3 weeks old. This yellow
When it
bamboo.
comes to these bamboos, no, the
3
bamboo shoots will be
centimeters.
staying underground for 6 years. They're highly invasive. It will be staying like 6 years underground, but once it's popped out like this, the growth will be pretty fast. Every day 2 centimeters, and they
2
always grow to.
मोइगी लेनबा
Just रखे हुए.
मोइ सेम थम्बा आयुर्वेदिक की अखोई अनाबा कई कारो हारिस लोबो याइको केरला की दाम हाइडल टूरिज्म सेंटर बनसुरा दाम है बने सीजे नियम चल ऐसा कोई दाम मनु संगे दाम सिदगी आदा संगदोइने मथा थाखत किदोइने नुसा याम सारे सनस्क्रीन जमाय गतंग तैरकपनिना खितंग थुना सटके नुसा कोई उरुम लांगबा यौदे मथा खल्लेबको अदु खितंग थुना सटके सिने मी मैम थोना रहिजे सिदगी कागेदबा आदा तुका सिदगी मथा खल्लनी मथा खनबाइजे सोलर पैनल नेको का सल्लगे सिनु सारे आपको ब्लॉक तो ब्लॉक का बता रहे सिदगी कागेदनिकोนี่มาต้นตาลนะก้าก็พอต้นหลักเลยช้างนี่ช้างเฮ้ดูชาจิก้าดูชาจิจูไอ้ตาต้องไปเลยโอ้ไปเลยใกล้สมาต้นเยาเลยมาฆ่าได้ก็ฆ่าไปเลยมาต้นเยาเลยสิเชี่ยมึงช้างสักกี่ตัวเนี่ยบอกดูชาที่ให้ยันเลยชาเลยตามมุลเลยก็แบบตามเยาเลยตามมุลเลยSukamano. Halo Ceta. Sukamano. Sukamano. Ando ko jik thole mapanda dam dagi thola ga hojik ko yim na na de ska ho lan sa doi ne hojik aduga yum halang ma tor ni na ma sa jam sa re ha ne video ma khat ta ꯁꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯌꯅꯥꯗꯀꯤ ꯎꯅ ꯁꯥꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ ꯆꯥꯝꯃ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯁꯜꯂꯛꯑꯦ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ ꯆꯥꯝꯃ चलो भाई बहुत गर्मी है अंकल ये कितना कितना है तो प्राइस 100 रुपीस एक पाव एक पाव दे Saba meal, right? 1980 में
Wait, see. Wait. There.
Oh
Come, guys, I'll show you avocado.
What is this?
Parota bhaiya.
Parota. Yeah, open it.
What? Parota with chicken.
Chicken. Oh, nice one. How was it? Pretty?
Right.
Okay. That's okay.
Better than fish.
Oh, then I will try. Hello guys, ako si Glory. Let's go. You look like Virat Kohli. Let's go RCB.
RCB. Good night. Good night, guys.